Hey everybody, it's June 13th and we're on the Peak to Peak at Whistler at Momentum Ski Camps. So excited. Got the whole gang here. There's Jenna, longtime camper. Are you guys pumped? Yeah. Let's do this.
Ladies mode?
And especially with this color.
And it's tracksuit?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. First time wearing this.
See, I think the sad thing is I think I still have a pair of those from the 80s.
Here we go. Through. Okay, and now we are on the first lift of the day. It's a chair lift, and just right in front of me there's this beautiful waterfall. Check out. Nice. This is so beautiful. The waterfall. Cheese. Okay, the third and final part of this journey to get to the top of the Horseman Glacier is this T-bar, which is called the Showcase T-bar. And it just, for some reason, it just stopped working. So we're just waiting a little bit and then we're gonna go skiing. And the sun's coming out. All right, so we're at Momentum Ski Camp, Ski and Snowboard Camp now at the Horseman Glacier. I got my gang right here, my team. They just flew in from Boston. Just landed some 360s, hit some tubes. It's a great day up here on the glacier. Come on up. There's a Momentum Ski and Snowboard. Woo!
Nice.
Yeah.
That's it, you guys. Camp's over. Adult camp. Next, the little kiddos are coming. And they got to bring out the Playmobil, the Legos, the families. We'll see you next year. Thank you so much, Momentum Ski and Snowboard Camps. Bye. Thank you, diggers.
Get out of here. Yeah, we'll see you later.
See you next year.
Shut her down.
Yeah, shut her down.
Shut her down. Shut her down.
What? Here we go. Woo. Oh man. Woo. Yay! And then we just finished up a beautiful day up at Momentum Camps. And this is our ride down back to the hotel. Pretty easy commute, right, Aga?
Pretty amazing.
Not bad. Bellissimo.